శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం ప్రథమస్కంధం సూత మహాముని డిస్క్లోజింగ్ Bhagavata Katharavindam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Semika Muni is now talking to his son, saying that, O my dear son, if there is no king to the kingdom, all that Veda Dharma, Varnashrama Dharma, everything will get destroyed. Once the dharma is destroyed, people will start thinking that only money is important, and with that, all the people also will get destroyed. Oh, my dear son, even if it is a normal king, under the ruling of king, the kingdom will be safe. While the kingdom being safe under very normal kings, imagine Parikshit Narendra is such a great king. Dharmapalo Narapatihi, he is very, very righteous. Sakshan Mahabhagavato Bharatavamsajun Paramabhagavatun, such a great devotee. Oh, my dear son, Parikshit Narendra Hayamedhiya Jinachara Parun, he has done Aswamedhayagam, such a great devotee. And also Rajakulaika Bhushanun, he is a great king of all the kings. Oh, my dear son, such great king Parikshit Narendra, when he came here with hunger and thirst, what did you do? Instead of taking care of him, Bhakti Satkara Musesi Pampajanugaka Sepimpaga Niku Dharmame. Instead of respecting him and taking care of him, you cursed him. Oh, my dear son, do you think that you have done a good job? Do you think that it is fair on your part? Like that, Semika Muni talked to his son, and now Semika Muni started praying Paramatma to forgive his son, saying that, "Hey Bhagavan, Balena Apakva Buddhina, he is ignorant, my son is ignorant, and Papam Krutam, because he is not enough matured, he has committed this sin. Hey Bhagavan, Tad Bhagavan Sarvatma Kshantumarhati." Oh Paramatma, the one who is all over, oh Srimannarayana, please forgive my sin. పాపడు వీడు వనరించిన పాపము తొలగింపు కృష్ణ పరమేశ హరి. You are the one who can burn out all the papam, all the sins. You are the one who kept all the worlds under your control. You are the one who can bless anyone with eternal bliss. Hey Bhagavan, please forgive my son. Like that, Semika Muni praying to Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. ఓం శ్రీకృష్ణ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.